Hey guys, it's LBS here again, your tech guide. So today's video, we're going to be checking out the Makcao Life 30-watt Bluetooth speaker. This is another Bluetooth speaker that they had sent out to me to do a review for you guys. This is somewhat their top-of-the-line speaker. It is made of bamboo and fabric material. So here it is, guys. Here's the box. We'll open it up and see what it looks like. And also we'll check out the sound quality as well, if it's worth the purchase or not. So here we go, guys. All right, so off the bat, we've got the speaker itself right here. It comes with all your instruction manual, warranties, and of course you've got your cable here, your aux cable, your charging cable, and also the quick charge wall adapter. All right, so let's just put that on the side for now, and let's check out the speaker itself. All right, so it's got some heft to it. Let's check out the weight and see how heavy it is or light. Here is my weight scale. So we've got it in pounds. Let's check it out. All right, so here we go. So it is roughly around 3 pounds. So it does have some heft to it. All right, so the speaker itself, here it is, guys. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. This thing is made of bamboo. As you can see, the grain pattern on it, it looks really, really nice. The back here is fabric material wrapped around the whole bamboo wood. Look at that. That is nice. So here is the subwoofer on the back. This thing will actually shake when you are playing the music. You've got all the ports over here. You've got your aux. You've got your charging, micro USB charging port right there. And also you got your standard USB port if you would decide to charge a smartphone or any other tablets or anything like that. You could actually make this speaker become a portable power bank. So the battery inside, you've got a 5,000 milliamp battery, which usually will last you roughly around 10 hours playback time if you set the volume to 50%. And on top of here, you've got all your multimedia buttons. You got your power on and off, Bluetooth speaker symbol over there. You've got your up and down volume, and you've got your equalizer right here. It comes with 3 equalizer. You've got the indoor, outdoor, and extra bass. So that is really, really nice. And of course, right here, you've got 4 speakers. You've got your standard speaker here, and you've got your vocal speaker here, which is called the Twitter, or I don't know what it's called, but that's where mostly all the vocal sound will come out. And here will be your mid-tone or mix mid-tone or whatever, and then of course the back here will be your bass, which has an amazing bass on the speaker, guys. So the range, what you can get from this, once you connected it on your smartphone, you'll get roughly around 50 to 66 feet. So it is quite long. And when charging the battery, the 5,000 milliamp battery, it will take you roughly around 3 hours long. So it's not too bad, guys, not too bad. All right, so let's check out the sound quality on this, guys, and see how the sound quality is like, if it's worth the purchase or not. But overall, when it comes to just looking at the speaker itself, guys, it looks really, really nice. So look at that, beautiful, very elegant. It will just match and just will look good in any situation wherever you put this on. All right, so let me grab my phone. Let's check it out.
My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes.
So there you have it, guys. As you heard from the music there, the sound is amazing. It's got a lot of volume. I even cranked it up all the way up. You can't hear the speaker cracking or anything. The sound quality is just clear. Lots of bass, guys. Plenty of bass from this speaker. And you've got the equalizer here that you could actually change the bass or the type of quality of sound you'll get. You have that option, and just overall this speaker is amazing. So yeah, if you have any other questions, just again leave me a comment down below. I'll put a link in the description below. If you want to read more information about this, you could go check it out. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Once again, I am very happy with this speaker. I will probably use this speaker and change my old one. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Once again, guys, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.